In this video, I'm going to show you how to improve how your videos look really fast. I'm going to show you how to do it with a phone. It will apply to anything. And by the end of this video, you're going to be able to go out and within 10 to 20 minutes, improve the total look of all your videos. Okay, first of all, it doesn't matter what you shoot with. You can shoot with a Canon or a Nikon or this or a Red Epic or a $200 camera, or I don't care, or a phone. And I don't care if it's Android, I don't care if it's an iPhone. Let's just get that out of the way right now. Just erase that crap out of your brain. Okay, first thing you need to understand about shooting is we have this frame here, right? Here's the frame. The frame is this big by this big. You don't see anything out of the frame. You don't see what's up there, what's down there, what's over there, what's over there. The only thing you're concerned about is what's inside of this frame. So not that I do. I could have trash bags over here. This could be my bed over here. I could have a cat walking around. They don't smell anything on there. They don't see anything that's inside the frame. You can use that to your advantage. Take your phone or any device you have and just take it out and start looking at the framing. Just look, how does this look? Oh, well, that doesn't look so hot. Well, let's do something with that. Here's a shot of the backyard. Here's the shot of that particular waterfall. Okay, that looks okay. I don't particularly like it. If I were watching a video and I saw somebody shooting and talking about this waterfall, I'd be really bored. Let's take the phone and move in. Let's change what's inside of the frame of the phone. Here's a shot over on the side. It's a lot closer. It's a lot more intimate. You know what I'm talking about. There's the water coming over. Let's try a shot from this side and see what it looks like. That looks pretty cool. Let's get in on the waterfall and let's see the water flowing over. Heck, let's go around the other side. See how the water goes over the top. Yeah, that's okay. Maybe I use some of these, maybe I don't. But the difference between the first shot that I shot with my phone, hey, there's my waterfall, and these more intimate shots where I took into account what's in the frame look way, way better. Let's go shoot some flowers. So here's the yellow flowers. They're sitting in the backyard. They're getting kind of old, but that's okay. Hey, check out these flowers. I'm gonna teach you about flowers. Let's get in on this thing. Let's change what the viewer sees in the frame. So we get up close, we check out the flowers, maybe we move to the side a little bit. That's a lot better. Hey, here's this bedspread in the house. Pretty cool. This is the bedspread. I think you should check it out. Take the phone and get in on this. Look around. Use that framing for what you're going to show the viewer. Maybe we set the phone at the end of the bedpost on here, and then we just start it and we just move it sideways so the person can see the bedspread on the phone. Oh yeah, let's not forget the flowers. We've picked them and we've put them up a vase. Here's a vase on top of a mantle. It's really boring. It doesn't do anything for me. Let's throw on some lights. Let's get in on that thing. Let's show them. Let's show the point of interest. Pull in the phone into the thing that you're talking about. Hey, here's a picture of my cat. My cat's sitting on the counter. It doesn't look all that good. Well, let's frame it. Let's use our eyeballs and frame it. We come around to the other side. We show the cat walking. Much better. And if you take your eyeballs and you go look through your phone or your camera or your viewfinder or whatever, move it in. Move it closer to the subject you're shooting about. Move around a little bit. Try a different angle. Turn on some lights. If you don't like it, then move some stuff. Just what's inside the frame. Take your phone, go get in on a subject. Go shoot some things. If you do that, within 10, 15, 30 minutes of shooting, and you should keep practicing that with your phone, your camera, or whatever. You don't need to even take your camera out. Just learn it with the phone. Your videos are gonna look better, your shots are gonna look better, and you're gonna be more proud of what you shot. Check it out, try it. Let me know in the comments below how you do. Let me know if you have some questions. Let me know if this helped. I hope this helped. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. You know, the same thing works in reverse. Like if you're one of those guys that are shooting yourself, well, you know, you don't want, I mean, what do you want? Fast, or English, or as yeah, so then we fake else, or with me,